dedicated to reversing the evil image of their forefathers. Under the leadership of none other than Count Dracula, known as Big D, 3 teenagers formed the do-gooder group, named the Drak Pack. With special powers, they can transform into super mighty monsters and use their skills against all evildoers, especially the diabolical Dr. Dred and his renegade rascals Toad, Fly, Mummy-Man, and Vampira, a group known as O.G.R.E, the organization of generally rotten enterprises. It's right versus wrong, good over greed, niceness against naughtiness. That's the dedication of the terrific trio, Frankie, Howler, and Drak Jr., the Drak Pack.
Okay, Dr. Dred, you wanted to meet here so we can talk privately. Now, where are you? And what's on your evil mind? The old mechanical shark submarine trick. You've sunk to a new low, Dr. Dred.
Thanks for the compliment, Clack.
That's Drak.
Tell him what we're going to do, Dr. Dred. Tell him.
Yeah, I'll tell him. What do you want?
Yeah, Dr. Dred, tell me, what are you going to do?
Starting at 12 o'clock noon today, I'm going to set a new Guinness Book of Records record for the most major international crimes ever committed in a 3-hour period. And I challenge the Drak Pack to stop me.
On behalf of the Drak Pack, I accept your chilling challenge, Dr. Dred.
Next time we meet, your puny pack will be the laughing stock of the world.
Not so fast. Where's my boat?
Oh, I'm glad you reminded me. Here's your boat.
Okay, Dred, if that's the way you want it, the Drak Pack is ready to deal with a double dealer. Now pay attention. I've got good news and bad news.
We already heard the bad news.
From Dr. Dred, I presume.
Yeah, he told us too.
He told everybody.
Yeah, he broadcast to the whole world that he's gonna set a new crime record.
Now, what's the good news?
The good news is that the fun all starts in 5 minutes.
Oh, boy. I wonder if Big D has heard about this.
Uh-oh, he's heard.
Yep, here comes a batagram.
Contact Dracula. Must be urgent.
It's always urgent when he sends his kamikaze bat.
And boy, is he mad.
It's us, Big D, the Drak Pack.
Don't call me Big D. I am your great Uncle Dracula. Now, the whole world is waiting to see if O.G.R.E succeeds in getting into the grimmest book of records. What have you done to stop Dr. Dred?
Well, nothing yet, sir. He hasn't committed any crime yet.
Excuses. Dr. Dred's crime spree will start in London at noon.
Me, Dr. Dred, in the grimmest book of world records. No, Mummy Man, don't go down yet. We mustn't cheat on the starting time.
12 o'clock, Dr. Dred.
Time for a low-down trick. Now you can go, Mummy Man. The most famous clock in the world. What a way to start my crime spree.
One international crime committed in just 2 minutes. Such embarrassment. I'm going to hide my head in shame until you stop, Dr. Dred.
But Big D... Well, that's Big D's hot message.
Ooh, he's really steamed.
Yeah, he's a flipping his fangs.
We better Drak Pack whack and make tracks. The Dred quarters, Pack.
Dr. Dred moves his Dred quarters from place to place, Drak.
How we know where to look for him?
Easy. Dr. Dred stole Big Ben, and Big Ben chimes.
Ooh, right. And we can hear it on reindeer.
Reindeer picked up Big Ben.
Wow, from 9,000 miles away.
The computer's calibrating Dred's location.
And here's the latitude and the longitude readout.
Hang on, Drak Pack. We're on our way.
Success! The first step toward my Grimace Book of Records crime record. After our next 2 crimes, we'll broadcast pictures to the entire world.
What's our next job, Dr. Dred?
Yes, what are we waiting for, Dr. Dred?
We are waiting for the Drak Pack to get here.
Are we expecting them?
Of course! And they are right on time!
There's Dred quarters, a Dred ahead.
The computer led us right to it.
Yes, right to a surprise visit for Dr. Dred.
Oh, I am surprised! I am!
Now, Dr. Dred, now?
Now, Toad!
Oh, what was that?
Exactly what I expected. A trap.
Yes, a fly trap.
Let's get him out of there, Howler.
Look out! Here comes Mummy Man.
And here goes, Mummy Man.
Let's get out of here.
We'll get the net off of you later, Frankie.
Aha! Here's my chance. I knew you boys would fall for me. You're welcome, Mummy Man. Now tie them up good.
I hate to spoil your evil plans, Vampira, but I also possess certain powers.
Yay, Drak! Okay, it's your turn to bat.
As they say, up and away! Oh, boy, this is a sticky situation.
How about a smoke screen, right?
Good thinking, Frankie. Bottled by a bug. How humiliating.
Yes.
Let's face it, you are in my power, Dredge Pack.
That's Drak.
You're right, Mummy Man. He is as strong as a horse. That's why we are taking him with us on our next caper.
Whatever your next evil caper, you'll never get away with it, Dr. Dred.
Oh, are you going to get out and stop me, Tinkerbat? And I doubt if the horrible Howler can escape from my laser beam cage.
May I show him why, Dr. Dred? May I?
I hope you boys will be comfy until we get back.
Let's go.
Flyman, I give the orders around here. Let's go! And you, Mummy, bring the gun!
Boy, we've got to stop Dr. Dred and rescue Frankie.
Now let me think. I'm jammed in this jelly jar.
And I'm stuck in this laser lockup.
Can I do this now?
No, Mummy Man, don't do it to him yet.
Don't do what to him yet? What's going on?
Can I tell him, Dr. Dred? Huh? Can I?
No, you'll find out soon enough.
Find out what?
Now, coming to the starting gate, the most valuable horse in the world, the Triple Crown winner, Lightning Lady.
Oh, this horse heist will get more publicity than the Big Ben burgle.
And they're off.
The horses are running, Toad. Lower the turbo tube.
Yes, Dr. Dred.
And Lightning Lady is leading by 2 lengths. And, hello, something is dangling from the sky. I don't believe it. Lightning Lady has disappeared along with her jockey. Talk about a scratch.
Where am I? What's going on?
Relax. We don't want you, just the horse.
But, I gotta race to win.
Oh, you will. You will.
What?
Whenever you're ready, mummy man.
Master! Master! We'll get run over!
Oh, what an embarrassing situation. I'm gonna run for home.
This is unbelievable. The jockey's back, but not the horse. This must be the work of that despicable Dr. Dred.
I think I know how to get out of here.
Don't be ridiculous. Can't get through those laser beams.
No, but I can blow up a storm. Right foot in control panel. Better to short circuit these laser bars. Ta-da!
Congratulations. I was just about to suggest that, Howler. Now get me out.
I'll pull the plug on this jug. Okay, let's get to the register and get out of here.
First, let's see if Dr. Dred has struck again.
Dr. Dred has struck again.
What'd he do? What'd he do?
He stole the most valuable racehorse in the world.
He did. How?
With the aid of one of the Drak Pack, namely Frankie, whom he substituted for the horse.
Oh, boy! Big D will blow his top when he hears about this.
Enough is too much. One more successful crime and Dr. Dred will be in the grimmest book of record. What are those Drak Pack ding-dongs doing?
Oh, how I love to make the Drak Pack look like a dumb pack.
But Dr. Dred...
Don't butt me while I'm exulting, you little worrywart.
But look, Drak and Howler are escaping from Dred quarters.
I was hoping they would. Now they will try to stop my next super caper. What is our next crime? You'll see, you'll see.
Thanks, I need it, Pat.
Full speed ahead, Toad.
Aye, aye, Dr. Dred. Destination dead ahead.
Uh-oh, Big D's a really mad Drak.
Relax, Frankie. I'll give him my progress report.
How about what he's gonna give you?
Well, we might as well face the music.
Oh, we're really in for it. Oh, he only plays that tune when he's mad.
Uncle Dracula.
What capsule nincompoops? When Dr. Dred is out spotting the Drak Pack, I am getting very angry. See? Now stop that, Dr. Dred! Before I lose my temper!
Wow, I've never seen Big D that steamed up before.
Yeah, you'd think that being 300 years old, he'd mellow a little.
That chance we have of stopping Dr. Dred.
It's really quite simple. All we do is zero in on his next crime.
Like what?
I think it's got something to do with music.
Music.
Yeah, I heard Dred talking about the high sea caper.
Instead of music, maybe he was talking about the ocean. The high seas caper.
No, not that one, Toad. No, that isn't frightening enough. A giant iceberg. Perfect.
Let's punch up the computer and see if anything valuable is moving on the high seas.
The supertanker SS Oiler, carrying 350 million barrels of crude. Well, all right.
Wow, I'd say that was pretty valuable.
And it sounds like something Dr. Dred would try for. Let's go.
Double the watch and keep a sharp lookout in this fog.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Bring us down a little lower, Joe. Hold us steady while I aim the projector on that fog bank.
Yeah! Iceberg dead ahead! Oh, we're gonna ram the iceberg!
Abandon ship before it explodes! The picture of the iceberg worked! The crew abandoned the ship!
Yes, and it's all ours. I mean, it's all yours, Dr. Dred.
According to the computer, we should be nearing the tank.
Yeah, now all we gotta do is beat Dred to it.
There it is now, dead ahead.
Uh-oh, dive! Dive!
What we dive for?
Take a look.
Dr. Dred's beat us to it. There's his dredgeable. He's taking over the tanker.
What do we do?
Simple. We'll follow him back to his hideout and wipe out his grimmest book of records.
Yes, Mummy Man, I see the Drak Pack periscope.
Dr. Dred would go bananas if he knew we were following him.
The Drak Pack would go bananas if they knew that I know they're following me.
Oh boy, he knew we were following him.
Yes, but what he didn't know was that I knew that he knew I knew.
Welcome again to my Dread quarters, Drak Pack. You can watch as I broadcast my 3 crimes to the world. It will be an all-time first in the grimmest book of records. Hang around for a while.
We gotta stop that big blowhard. But how?
Through the torpedo tube. How else?
Oh, you gotta be kidding.
Fire 1.
He wasn't kidding.
Fire 2.
Hey, you are kidding, aren't you? I guess he's not. What now, Dred? Dred's about to go on the air.
I hope the show doesn't start without me.
And you get everything in the picture, Toad.
Yes, Dr. Dred.
Good. Turn on the camera and start the broadcast.
Hold it.
Hold it?
Yes. You can't go on without your makeup.
Makeup?
Gotcha.
Sorry to cancel your primetime crime show, Dr. Dred.
You're only postponing it, Drak. Show him, Mummy Man.
I think I'm getting mad. Well, now I am getting mad. Well, that tears it.
Now, get that bat.
Got him.
Thanks for letting me down easy, fly man.
And he's sneaky, Dred.
Incompetence! Stop playing and capture them!
Who's playing? That was an unladylike thing to do, Vampira.
Flattery will get you nowhere, Howler.
That's easy for you to say.
It's the time to wrap up some of these loose ends.
Stop him, do you hear?
This ought to rock Dr. Dred's boat.
Pull him down! Pull him down, weakling! Like this! Ah! Stop that rock! It'll sink my island!
Giddy up, lightning lady.
All hands on deck! Repair the leak! Man the pumps!
The Drak Pack is escaping.
Dry up and start bailing!
It is almost time for Dr. Dred to broadcast. If he succeeded in getting in the grimmest book of records, I will disown the Drak Pack.
Hello, Big D.
Don't call me Big D. I am your great uncle Dracula. And what happened?
Well, for starters, we're returning Big Ben.
And the famous racehorse.
Good. But what about the super train car?
How do you think we're returning Big Ben and the racehorse?
Congratulations, Drak Pack. You have kept Dr. Dred from getting in the grimmest book of records.
Well, we're not sure of that yet, Big D.
Oh?
Well, you see, sir, he's trying for a new world record for the longest ocean swim ever made.
Very funny, Drak. Very funny.
It is funny, boss. It is funny.